For starters, let me just tell you what cryptocurrency is. It's just digital money, all right? Money that exists in your computers. How does it make it any different from the dollar? It doesn't, because your dollars are also digital. Don't make the mistake of assuming that just because you can hold a form of currency in solid form, like paper, which is the US dollar, that it makes it real. The only thing that makes your dollar real is the belief that it actually has some kind of value. But the dollars that exist in the financial world, they're actually all digital. When 2008 hit and banks were dying left and right, and the government needed to pump money into the economy, they didn't start printing more dollars. They literally just started adding more digital dollars to the already digital dollar heavy economy. Pretty much the US government, the Federal Reserve, and the US Treasury were totally okay with pretty much just making dollars out of thin air, like literally just creating like a bunch of zeros and ones in the digital world and transferring those zeros and ones over to the banks to bail them out. They didn't give the banks any gold or diamonds or real estate or any hard assets. That's actually why Bitcoin was made. Bitcoin is the first cryptocurrency. There are about 15,000 of these cryptocurrencies, but Bitcoin is the main one. Bitcoin was made by this guy, Satoshi Nakamoto, we don't know if that's his real name, to combat the US dollar, but not really the US dollar, to combat the corruption behind the United States dollar. The fact that dollars could just be printed out of thin air in the digital world without any thought of the repercussions of what it would do to the world economy appalled a lot of people. Some of those people were brilliant computer programmers. So one guy decided to use a data structure called a blockchain and created a way to make money out of it. The reason why he chose to make a form of currency on a blockchain is that a blockchain is completely transparent and the information cannot be changed ever. It can't be hacked and nothing can be added onto it that wasn't already there. So if you have a form of currency on a blockchain like Bitcoin, you can't just print more of it. It's impossible. You can't hack or corrupt the blockchain because the specific structure of the entire blockchain platform doesn't allow it. It's also decentralized. Decentralized means that no government or institution or person can control what this currency does. Because Bitcoin isn't just on one computer, it's on hundreds of millions of computers all around the world. If anyone tries to hack it, or even a lot of the computers, they would need to be able to hack at least 33% of all the computers working with it on Earth, which is something that not even the most sophisticated quantum technology can accomplish. In essence, it's a much more perfect system than what our dollar provides.